Assalamu alaikum, you're welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we'll be learning how to cut this beautiful sleeve. So if this is what you like to learn, let's get straight into the video. So this is what I'll be needing to make the sleeve. I'll be using two different color of fabric. So this is my main sleeve that I've cut out, and I've already interfaced it using a paper stitch. I interfaced about 5.5 inches on the right side of the fabric. Remember, I interfaced the right side of the fabric. So this is the main sleeve. I've already cut it out, so I'm going to measure it for you to see. The length of my sleeve is 22 inches. So yeah, I didn't cut out just 22 inches. I added extra 4 inches. So I have 26 inches. Though yeah, I have 26.5 inches, but 4 inches is perfectly okay if you are doing yours. So this is the next fabric that I cut out. The length is about 3 inches. This is 3 inches for the length, and the width is the same width with the main sleeve. So whatever width you have on your main sleeve will be the one that you're going to cut out. And I also interfaced it. So that aside, the next fabric that I cut out is this. So I have about I have two different colors here, the lighter shade and the darker shade of purple. So the length is 2 inches. I cut out 2 inches. Then the width is going to be as long as you want. It's going to be very long because we are still going to cut it out at the end of the day. Just cut out a very long length. So we'll start sewing. So the first thing I'm going to be sewing is the long stripe that I cut out. So I'm going to place the two materials on each other, the lighter shade and the darker shade. So I'm going to sew. Remember, the length I cut out is 2 inches, but at the end of the day I need about 1¼ inch. You can do 1 inch, but for me I need about 1¼ inch. So I've sewn it. You can see I have 1¼ inch. I'm going to trim out the excess. I'll turn it out and I'll go ahead and iron it. So I turned it out off camera and I went ahead to iron it. This is how it is looking. So I'll bring the fabric I'm going to place it on. This is the fabric I'll be placing it on. Remember, I have 3 inches. So I'll cut out 3 inches each. So I measured 3 inches and I cut everything out 3 inches. So this is it after I finished cutting it. The length is 3 inches. All of the length is 3 inches. So the next thing I'm going to do now, start placing it on the fabric. I've notched the center. So before I start placing it, I'll measure 1 inch from the beginning and I'll start placing it from that 1 inch that I marked. So I want you to look at the way I'm placing it very carefully. You can see that the darker shade of purple is at the top, while the lighter shade is under it. You can see it. So I'll keep sewing like that with about 1/4 inch till I reach the last. So before I reach the last edge, I'm going to measure about 1 inch. Then that's where I'm going to stop. So after I've done that, this is how it looks like. So the next thing I'm going to do now, turn it over to the other side. Then that's when I'll start bending each of what I just sewed. You see the way I bend it, right? So just look at the video carefully and you see the way I'm bending it. It's very, very easy to do. You can see it. Just bend it a little bit to give it a triangle shape kind of. Then keep sewing till you reach the last one. After I finish sewing, this is how it looks like. So the next thing we are going to do now is to attach it to the sleeve. So I'm going to give the main sleeve a notch at the middle so I can identify the center. So after that, from the down part of the sleeve, this is the down part of the sleeve, I'm going to measure 1.5 upward. So I'll measure it across and make a straight line. So this is the line. It's not very visible because of the paper stay. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to place the design on the line that I just marked. So I'm notching the center so I can identify it as well, because we'll be placing it center to center. I have placed it center to center, as you can see. So I'll use a pin to hold it down so it can stay in place. So I'll just use a loose stitch and sew on it. After that, I'll repeat the same thing for the upper part as well. I'll sew with a loose stitch. So after doing that, the next thing I'm going to do now is to cover up the down part. So this is the down part. Remember, we left about 1.5 inches for sewing. So I'll bend over ½ inch like I'm doing in the video, and I'll bend over 1 inch. So you can see I first of all bent ½ inch, then I later bent 1 inch. You can see ½ inch, then 1 inch. So I'll use it to cover the raw edges. Then I'll just stitch on it. Simple as that. If you haven't clicked on the subscribe button yet, please kindly do so now, and don't forget to like this video and you share. So after I finish sewing it, this is how it looks like. You can see how the back is also neat. That is the wrong side. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to take it over to the ironing table to give it a good press so it can be balanced. Then after that, from the upper part like so, I'm going to measure 1 inch. That is from where the design stopped. I'm going to measure 1 inch upward, and I'll rule a straight line. We are going to use that one to cover the raw edges at the upper parts. You can see. So after I finished ruling it, I'll pick it up. That is the 1 inch that I just marked, that line that I just finished drawing. I'll pick it up and I'll use it to cover the raw edges as I'm doing in the video, like so. So I'll just stitch on it like so. If you are doing this part, make sure you do it carefully because the material may tend to shift. So just do it carefully and you are going to get it right. So I finish it up off camera, and this is the final look of the sleeve. You can see how beautiful it is looking. So after that, the next thing I'm going to do now is to measure the length. Remember, we added extra 4-inch allowance to it. So the length of my sleeve is 22 inches. I'm going to add extra ½ inches that I'm going to stitch to the dress. That is making 22.5 inches. So I'm just going to cut out the excess, and there I have it. So this is the final look of the sleeve. You can see how beautiful it is looking. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share the video. Thank you so much for watching till the end. See you in my next tutorial.